Hello!
Hi, Chai! Happy birthday!
Kampagwis, Dark. More birthday to ka. Always be happy. Enjoy your birthday.
Ate Light, happy birthday and always be happy. Enjoy your life and always be confident. Happy birthday!
Bye. Peace out.
Hello Cocoon, I'm here to say happy birthday to you and I hope you are always happy. Be pretty as always, be safe, take care, I miss you and I love you.
Hello Chay! Happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Ang wish ko sa birthday mo is good health at mag-iingat ka palagi and alaga mo palagi ang sarili mo. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti, ngayong dalaga ka na, huwag ka muna magpapaligaw ha. Magtapos ka muna ng pag-aaral mo, okay? By the way, sorry hindi ako nakapunta dyan. Dahil busy si Kuya sa work, alam mo na. Yun lang, salamat and enjoy your life, enjoy your day. Happy 18th birthday ulit sa'yo. I love you.
Happy birthday, Chachay! Wish ko na bigyan ka ng maraming birthday. Mag-aral kang mabuti para matupad mo ang iyong pangarap. Magpakabait ka at lagi kayong mag-iingat dyan. Mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday, Chay. Mahal ka namin.
Ay, pasensya na. Hindi ko nakarating ng birthday mo. Wala akong pamasahe dyan. Sana maging masaya yung birthday mo bukas. Sana maka-ano pa ng maraming birthday. Pasensya ka na, Chay. Happy birthday.
Hi, Chay Chay. Happy 18th birthday. Dalaga ka na. Sana maging magalang at masunurin sa magulang. Harapin mo yung mga pagsubok na dadating pa sa atin. Maging matatag lang tayo. At syempre, always pretty. Huwag papabayaan sarili mo. Andyan lagi si mama mo na laging nagmamahal at laging susuporta sa'yo. Kaya ulit, happy birthday. We love you.
Chay, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday darating sa'yo. Happy birthday, Chachay.
Happy 18th birthday, Chachay. I truly wish that you are blessed with all the happiness, health, joy, and prosperity in life. And I hope all your birthday wishes come true.
Hi, Ate Chachay! Happy 18th birthday, beautiful lady! Today marks the beginning of you being a woman at hindi na talaga namin yan mapipigilan. So our wish for you is may God continue to bless you with good health and long life and continue chasing your dreams because you have a very strong support system, your family. Once again, happy 18th birthday! God bless you and we love you always.
Happy birthday, Chay. I wish you all the best. Na sana, bigyan ka ng maraming birthday. Malusog na pangangatawan, palaging maganda at masiyahin. Sundin mo lagi yung payo ni Mama at Papa. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Miss ko na kayo. Uwi na kayo dito.
Happy 18th birthday, Chachay! Wishing all your dreams come true and may your special day be filled with joy, laughter, and unforgettable memories with all the people around you and loves you. Happy birthday again! I miss you!
Happy 18th birthday, Chay! As you step into adulthood, remember to cherish every moment and follow your dreams. May your life be as amazing as you are. Pabutihin mo lagi yung pag-aaral and mag-iingat kayo palagi dyan. We miss you and we love you. Kami na kayo ng summer. Happy 18th birthday, Chai. Wishing you an amazing year ahead filled with joy, success, and exciting adventures. Enjoy every moment and make unforgettable memories, especially right now celebrating your special day with your loved ones, friends, and family. And I wish you nothing but the very, very best. I miss you, uwi na kayo, and I love you. Happy birthday, Chai!
Hi, Chachay! Happy birthday! Ngayon ka na palang dalaga. Wish ko sa'yo, sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap sa buhay. Ay, hindi na lahat. Basta't yung magpapasaya sa'yo. At yung mabibigay sa'yo ng kapayapaan sa iyo po sa isipan. Just enjoy your day. Happy birthday again. Bye. See you again.
お誕生日おめでとう。また来年会いましょうか。じゃあ、お誕生日おめでとう。
明けましておめでとうございます。
じゃあまた日本来てね。
はいはい。ちゃちゃーん。もうすげえおじいちゃんみたいな。
じゃあさ、あ、じゃあ、オッケー、オッケー。はい。おはよう、ちゃっちゃいさん、誕生日おめでとう。
ちゃっちゃい、お誕生日おめでとう。Nangka parang kailan lang Sansay, Philippine kaitan taki. Ngayon, isa ka ng auto na gakko, gambatte hoshii. Chachay, shinjiteru kara. Okasan no koto, yutteru koto, chanto kite hoshii. Ato Chari no koto, chanto mite hoshii. Jibun ga onechan da kara. お父さん離れても気持ちも分かると思う。あなたのタッチのためだから。だからお父さん頑張ってる。あなた欲しいのこと全部買ってあげるから。いい学校行かせて欲しいだから。もうみんなもう会いたい。来年また会うから。お誕生日おめでとう。もうお父さんから愛してるよ。じゃあね。